In today's video, I'm going to teach you to make all photos same length in CapCut. If you're building a slideshow, a photo reel, or a clean rhythmic montage, having every image hold for the exact same amount of time makes your edit look polished and professional. I'll walk you through it in a simple, clear way so you can follow along confidently. First, open your CapCut project. If you're starting fresh, create a new project so you're working on a clean timeline. Import all of the photos you want to use. You can add them from your computer or device storage or drag them directly into CapCut's media area. Once they're in your media bin, drag them down onto the timeline or interface so they appear in order. If you already know the sequence you want, arrange them now. If not, that's okay. You can reorder them later without affecting the process. Next, highlight all of the photos on the timeline. This is important because the change you're about to make needs to apply to every photo at once. On desktop, you can click in an empty space and press a Select All command, or click the first photo, hold Shift, and click the last one to select the range. On mobile, you can long press a photo and then tap to select the rest. You'll know it worked when every photo clip shows as selected. With all photos highlighted, move your cursor to the end edge of any one of the selected photo clips on the timeline. Look for the trim handle at the right side of the clip. When your cursor changes to the trim icon, click and drag that edge to adjust the duration. Because everything is selected, dragging the end of one photo will change the length of all selected photos together, keeping them perfectly consistent. Drag to the left to make them shorter or to the right to make them longer, depending on the timing you want. For precise timing, zoom into the timeline so you can see the duration more clearly. Watch the time indicator as you drag. CapCut displays the clip length as you adjust, which helps you land on an exact value like 1 second, 2 seconds, or any custom duration you prefer. Release the mouse or lift your finger when you've reached the timing you want. Finally, play through a portion of your timeline to confirm the pacing feels right. If you need a little more or less time, simply select them all again and drag the end to fine-tune. That's it. Your photos now share the same length, ready for smooth transitions and a cohesive edit.